Hey, I'm going to group the rest together just because their rules are really simple. One of them is how molecular compounds react in water. Molecular. Okay. These don't form ions. No electrolytes. So that means they don't conduct electricity. They don't get ripped apart by water and form charged particles. Molecular compounds like sugar that are soluble stay as sugar. Nothing changes with their formula except we change the state to aqueous. Alcohols like ethanol, which I use to make my anti-COVID-19 sauce from, they are highly soluble. So the only thing that changes is their state, which is aqueous. Molecular compounds that do not dissolve, are not soluble, like, I don't know, like a waxy boy here, C52H106. Pretty sure wax doesn't dissolve. You'd have some funky wax if you had dissolving wax. That just stays C52H106. The state doesn't change. Whatever a molecular compound state is to start with that is not soluble, the state doesn't change. As you can see, no ions. Oh, you can't see me pointing. I'm pointing here. As you can see, there's dots again, anxiety dots. The formula doesn't change. Only the states do if they are soluble. Okay, so that's, get out this thing. Okay, that is molecular compounds. Elements. No, they don't do anything. If you have an element like chlorine gas, guess what? It stays chlorine gas. Do you see how they're the same? I don't want to see this on an assignment. Nowhere did I show that. This is so wrong. It's kind of like that one time I decided to try mixing milk and Good Host iced tea powder. So wrong. Looks good. You know, I like milk. I like Good Host iced tea. But if you mix the two together, bad times. Just take my word for it. You guys are on quarantine right now. You could have the stuff to try it. Please don't. Please don't send me memes of you mixing that together. Please don't send pictures of mixing milk and iced tea. I don't want that to become like a new TikTok hashtag. Okay, so, and then finally we have bases. And bases are ionic compounds. The only thing that separates them is that usually they have hydroxide as a polyatomic. And remember, sodium's really soluble. So it just breaks up. They have the same rules as ionic compounds. And I've already covered ionic compounds already. So those are the different things you have to worry about.